Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base trick of Faucetpay. Right now I share with you the torrent trick. Okay, the last time I shared with you the Solano I share was a Solano video. Okay, the torrent I have 90 torrent. How I can do, I can go to these and in here I go to select torrent, and I have this much torrent available in my balance. The beating amount, I remove the 20 from here. This is the beating amount, and the payout I love to put a 2.3, and I start the beating. I start the beat high or the beat low. I click one of these. Okay, I win. I didn't change the amount. I beat again. I lose the amount. I click the 2x. Then I beat one of these. I win. I just click -1 because it's not the minimum amount. Okay, I just roll it. I win it. I lose. I just click 2x. After I lose, I click 2x. I win again. I just click -1 time. You can see lose, click 2x, win. I come back to my amount. I lose again, click 2x. Oh, sorry, click 2x. I win again. I come to my before amount. Okay, lose 2x, lose again, 2x again. I win 2 times. I come back to my real amount. The minimum amount is 1000. I didn't love to put 1000. I just need this much amount, 0.001 Satoshi of the torrent. Okay, and I beat this amount for 30 minutes, and I come back how much I win. Okay guys, now you can see I earned this much torrent with this trick. Okay, you can see it's all manually beat I use in here, and you can see a lot of lose. I 2x all the time, 2x and increase in this much, and in here I win. I come back at the first bit, and then I lose. I 2x and 2x. I win this much, and then I come back the first bit. This is how this trick I use this trick. I win some lot of torrent with this trick. Or you can use any cryptocurrency, but you have much more cryptocurrency to use. And this is my total withdrawal, you can see. And maybe one day I'm the winner of the 1000 USDT in here, and that time I share with you the video, the winner. And in here this is no risky. It's a little bit take much more time to use, and right now I have 21 of 21 of half of a torrent, and the first time I have 90. Right now I earned 2 torrent in 30 minutes. It's too hard to beating like that, manually beat, but you can easily make your torrent without losing your amount. And in next video I share with you dogecoin, with the 20 dogecoin I share with you how you can earn much more dogecoin. For the next video I use Litecoin to show you how you can earn one Litecoin. I start beating Litecoin for with 0.01 Satoshi to I tell you how much you can earn with the Litecoin, and the next video will be I share with you digibyte, then I share with you Fura, because Fura price is very low. It's too easy to make much more amount of Fura, not money. The next video I show the Bitcoin, okay, or Ethereum or Bitcoin, one of these two I share with you how you can start beating. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe to our channel, and bye bye for now. You can see I earned this much to you tutoring, and it's a very base way. I didn't use auto beating, I used manual beating with my own beating. If you use auto beating, you will be lose 100%, okay? This is 100% losing way. And with manual beating, you didn't lose your amount, you just win. You can see I lose, but I won again, okay? And thanks for watching guys, and this is the recent beating of the people around of the world. You can see a lot of people using Fura, digibyte, Dash, okay, Dogecoin. This cryptocurrency price is very low, because of that a lot of people using this one. And the eye rolling in the D's, okay, like me, a lot of people looking the amount like me. And this is the high beating, this much 2x high beating amount, and this much the person win with the digibyte 2 and 2x digibyte. This one win very much Fura. It's very high amount of Fura, okay, you can see. And thanks for watching guys. Every people using these, and that will be manually, not the amount you putting, like manually beating amount at all this trick. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.